Hi friends, welcome to Code Roots. If you are not subscribed our channel yet, please do subscribe. So today in this video, we are going to build a real-time rotating cube. So let's have a look at what we are going to build at the end. So if I click here, it's rotate at the real time. So because of WebSockets, it happens. So we are going to use socket.io for this. So the idea behind this project is to show you how we can manipulate the DOM element at the real time. So for this to build this project, we are going to use, so to build this project, we are going to use Express, and for real-time connection, we are using socket.io. So let's start with the project setup. So I'm using Visual Studio Code for coding. Okay. Okay. So first initialize a empty Node.js project. Okay. So I'm real time rotating cube package image. Entry point would be app.js. Okay, we are all set. So to build this, we need two dependencies. One is Express and the second one is socket.io. So npm install Express and socket.io. It takes, okay. So first create a app.js file. Okay. Const okay. Okay, so let's now start the server, basic server. We are using a socket.io in this project. So we set up the project as per, so to HTTP is a Node.js built-in module, so we don't need to install. and pass our app instance, and we are all set. Now get our socket.io here. Server as a prop pass, and for a COS origin, any COS request and all. So socket.io has any inbuilt function, so we are going to use that only, COS request. So everything, we are not going to restrict anything. So now let's start our server. Server.listen on 3002. Okay, it's okay. Okay, now set our home page route. Okay, to get a request, app.get. So let's start our server. Okay, let's install first nodemon. So we don't need to restart our application every time. So I'm going to install nodemon globally. We have to set the script here also. Start nodemon app.js, and we are all set. npm start. Okay, nodemon started. I'm going to close this. Okay, I'm going to close this and this window also. So localhost 302. Okay, so our setup is successful for this. So let's, okay, we need one index file at the front end. So I'm going to create here one folder called VIEW views, and in this folder I'm using EJS as a template engine. EJS. Okay, so yes. Okay, so we have to set the view engine also in app.js file, otherwise is not working. So to set this, we first as a middleware, so the second argument would be EJS. Okay, okay, not set, I think. Okay, right. So now restart, instead of sending, use render method and our file name, which is index. Okay, cannot find module EJS. Okay, so we need to install EJS also. So let's install npm I EJS. Okay, so now it's working perfectly. Okay, so the next step is first create a design. So we need an CSS file. So create a public folder here, and in public folder CSS style.css. Okay, body background color would be a black. Okay, check it's working or not. Okay. We need to set the as a public directory also. If it is, we are not in a set the public directory in app.js file, it's not anything to work. So I'll show you, it will throw into 1 second. Okay, I'll then link // public css style.css. See, this is not working. Any background color is not comes here. So to make this work, we need to set the any public app.use express.static. The static folder would be the current directory name plus the folder name, which we give here public. It's not working. Oh, we have to remove this. Okay. 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 So now it's working. Okay. I'll give this just for a testing purpose. So I'll just set my reset CSS first. Border box. So I'll do one thing. I'll collapse this like that, and I'll take this side by side, so I don't need to every time switch the window. Okay. Okay, so my reset is ready. So let's start with the development part. Okay. So I'll give this width around, I think 160 is best, 160 pixel, and height also 160 pixel, and the background color would be, for testing purpose, black. So let's see. Yeah, it's at the center. So to take us exact in a center, we can use display flex property using justify content, the div horizontally. I'll show you. If I remove both of this, the div goes here. If I remove the second one, align item center, it comes here. So we use justify content center for take a div horizontally at the center, and we use align item center to take a div or any element inside a flex at the vertically center. So it's now vertically center, and because of we are already gave a height. If I remove this height, so it goes here. So any as per height, so we have to also give. So next is a container. I'll remove this color from here. We don't need color on a wrapper, so give color to this and the same height and width as per the wrapper. And the position, we need to give a position also, relative position. I think that much for now is enough. Okay, all set. I think no need to. Let's go back, and now we need to set. We want to create a cube, so we need a around uh, six six divs here. One for top, bottom, left, right, and the front and back. So div class top, bottom, left, right, front, back. Left, and this is for right, and front and back. Okay, I think we are all set with these divs. So I'll do one thing. I'll first do all the any coding for this part, and then I'll explain you what I did for and how it works. Okay guys, so our cube is ready. Just we need, sorry, we need any buttons to rotate this. I'll provide all the code in Git repo, and give you a link in a description. So if you have any problem at the time of any developing or any error, so you can take a reference from them. To rotate a left is left, and to rotate the right side. Okay, so we are all set. Okay, we are all set with these buttons also. So now at the end, okay, so on this button click, I want to rotate this, and at the top, so to do this we need a JS file. So let's create one JS folder here. Script.js. Okay, and then Okay, so first attach the script here, script src js slash js. Okay, and to check is this script working or not, worked or not, so let's come here and just put one alert message here, just refresh. So see, the script is attached successfully. So now we are going to give on click events here. Okay, we are all set with this events. Now go back to script.js, and here first we need to get an container first. So container is there. Okay, const object is equal to document dot query selector container. Now next I'm working on any just first top part. So this is the event. First event here. On this click, I'm calling object dot style dot transform is equal to so at this I already calculated all the values to save us time. These are the template strings. It's a ES6 new feature. So any using this, we can any embed all the any variables inside uh, inside any JavaScript at any part easily. um, this is by mistakenly. I think it should work. Yeah, right. Now it's working. So now do this for all the fours. Okay, so there is a problem at the bottom. I think this is not a problem. Okay, let's see what's the issue. Okay, so the problem is here, instead of bottom you need to do top, so it will solve the problem. See, now it's working fine. To make it smooth, just add some transition effect, transition all 0.8 ease and out. Okay, see, this is not smooth. So next task is we need to make it real time. So if it is any second user is also any open the same link, then he should also at the real time rotating cube. So to do this, we need to first bring a socket tile library here at the front end level. So I have a link here. I'll provide this link in the description. You'll get there. Okay, so now the next task is we need to bring the IO instance here at this top position. So here we do const socket is equal to IO and this link whatever you are using and just test the connection. Socket dot on connection, and we need to do some code here also. The same name which we pass from the connection, and then we get back the socket, pass an arrow function, and just console log it dot log user connected use template string. We get an ID with the socket. So, and see, now I refresh it, just console log this. So now we are all set with this. So I just comment out this line, and now I would just want to pass some data on this button click to the backend. So to do this, here I'll just pass an event, socket dot io message is the event, and I'm just passing these two values here, comma this. Okay, and after passing here, we need to get in a backend also, to observe in a backend also. So to do this, use socket dot on the same name, the event name. This we need to use here also. So after passing this event, we get the data as a callback, and just arrow function, and then console log it, what we get, data. And now socket dot data, socket dot emit. See, we get this value what we pass from here in this. Okay, so after we want to send back to the all the users connected with the same connection. So to do this, we use socket dot broadcast, broadcast dot emit, and the same message event is here with data. Okay, and now we are getting this back in here in a front end, these two values, and using to rotate this we use these values to rotate these cubes. So to do this, we need to write here also same function, socket dot on the message, and we get back data. And I'm doing the same thing. This, I'm just going to copy all whole thing here, and I'm going to remove these values. Okay, and I'm using here the values we get from a server. So we get data at the 0th point, and the data we are using this because of we get back an array like this type of array. So at the 0 point, this one, and the index 0 is this and index 1 is this. So index 1 is this. Okay, so this is okay. So let's do one thing, make one more here and same, and click top, same. Both are rotating at the same time. So do this for all other buttons also. So here, and the value is this and this one, same for others. Seven 704 and 405. 135. Okay, I think we are all set. Yeah, and I'll just create one more instance here and set, take this side by side. If I click top, rotates, right. Oh, left right is not working. Let's see what's the issue. Okay, I think now. So, okay, something is 704 is, oh, we need to change this also. 135, right is 135. 704 135 and 704 405, right. 43 xy, I think 135, not 53. I think this should work now. Left, right, bottom, top. Okay, I think this is done. So I'm not any most concentrate on mostly on a styling and designing part because of the any main motive is the functionality. So this is all set and all good. So for more videos like this, please do like, share and subscribe. Thank you guys.